Welcome to the FlowPaper tutorial, tracking page views and time spent using Google Analytics. In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to add a Google Analytics tracking code to your publication in FlowPaper, and how to review those analytics once they're in place. As you can see, we've already opened up our publication in FlowPaper. Now let's take a quick look at where we are going to add our Google Analytics tracking code. Head on over to the menu bar on the left-hand side of the FlowPaper program and select the Settings icon. This will open up a pop-out box with settings and options. You will see the heading Google Analytics UI number. This is the field where we will put in our Google Analytics tracking code. Okay, now let's pop over to our browser and our Google Analytics account. From here, you can view your account and look up your tracking number. Unfortunately, you can't copy and paste, so you will have to write it down or remember it. Let's head back to FlowPaper. Now let's head back to the Google Analytics UI number section I showed you before under Settings, and type in your Google Analytics tracking number. Then, select Apply Settings to save your changes. Now all you have to do is publish. You can either publish to FlowPaper Cloud or a self-hosted server, as both will work with this operation. Once you have completed these steps and have had some time for your publication to gather views, head over to Google Analytics to see what kind of information is tracked. I'm going to start by heading over to Audience and then Overview. Now I'm going to select a date range so I can view specific analytics within that time frame. I'm going to select November 13th to 15th. Now let's head over to the left-hand menu and select Behavior, Site Content, and then All Pages. In this overview, Google Analytics has broken down our publication by page, and we can see how many views each page has received between November 13th and 15th. You can see here your page numbers starting with 1, as well as the corresponding page views. The next analytic we are going to take a look at is time spent. This will show us how much time is actually spent on each individual page. So head back to the left-hand menu and select Events under Behavior, and then Pages. You can see here that the pages are now organized by most to least time spent reading. This is page 8, and if we skip along to the third column, where it says Event Value, we will see the amount of seconds people have spent reading this page between November 13th and 15th. Thank you for watching this FlowPaper tutorial on tracking page views and time spent using Google Analytics. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.